Hi, I'm Andy Crowley with the Garage Milwaukee. Over the last several days, we washed, tinted, and wrapped the new 2024 Tesla Cybertruck. We started by completing a full exterior decontamination wash to prep for the wrap install. After that, we installed window tint on the front door windows and side corner windows to match the factory rear window tints. Next, disassembly began to ensure a seamless wrap install. We've removed the belt moldings, side mirrors, wheel flares, taillights, and bed trim. This customer wanted the cleanest look possible, so we offered our custom fabricated side mirror delete plates to match the Cybertruck's stainless steel. These can be fitted with or without your wrap. The wrap process then began to carefully install the matte black vinyl to achieve a quality install. At the Garage Milwaukee, we offer paint protection film, vinyl, or a combination of PPF over vinyl. This client chose vinyl as the perfect option to change the color and sheen of the truck every couple of years before committing to a long-term PPF. Once the wrap was complete, we reassembled the removed parts and applied a protective ceramic coating to all exterior surfaces. I think it turned out pretty cool.